at Star University, we use the Zoom platform for classrooms, labs, and to host meetings, webinars, and conferences. In this video, we will go over how to accept a Zoom invitation. When receiving a Zoom invitation, you will see a join link in the meeting invite. Click the link and you will be prompted to download and run Zoom. The downloaded file will be labeled zoom-us-launcher.zip. Click on the file and install the launcher. If your instructor has not started the session or the meeting, you will see a screen that says, "Please wait for the host to start this meeting." Once the instructor or host starts the meeting, the main Zoom window will appear. Here, you can join your audio and connect your video. You will be asked how you want to join the audio meeting. Click on the Join Audio Conference by Computer button. This should appear automatically. If you wish to use external audio tools, go to the bottom left of the screen and click on the arrow next to the picture of the microphone. You will then be able to select different audio tools. To connect your video, click on the video camera icon on the bottom left of the window. This should automatically connect you to your computer camera. If you are using an external video device or the computer camera does not connect after you push the icon, click on the arrow next to the video icon. Then select the camera you wish to use.